Welcome back to Nurture Her podcast, where we empower women through wellness, wisdom, and worth. I'm your host, Pallavi Pinge, and today we are talking about something that so many of you have been asking me about: reclaiming your body with fitness and movement. Let's be honest, most of us want to get into the habit of walking daily. We know it's good for us, but when it's time to put on those shoes and step out the door, we just don't feel inspired. Life gets in the way, and consistency feels like a struggle. That's exactly why I run my 21-day walking challenge from time to time, to help men and women like you to build the habit, stay accountable, and inspire others in the process. I'm kicking off the next challenge on March 15th, 2025. So if you want to join, email me at pallavi@ambrosiawellness.com. That's PALLAVI @AMBROSIAWELLNESS.com. And let's do this together. Why movement matters more than ever after 40. Our bodies change in our 40s and beyond. Hormones fluctuate, metabolism slows down, and joints feel stiffer. But here's what most women don't realize: the best way to age well is to keep moving. According to WHO or World Health Organization, women over 40 should include 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, or 75 to 150 minutes of high intensity exercise. To simplify, it means that daily walks of at least 30 minutes daily are great for you. And second, strength training at least 2 to 3 times a week. That is, just 20 minutes per session can make a huge difference. When you move consistently, you'll boost metabolism and prevent weight gain, strengthen bones and reduce joint pain, balance hormones and improve mood, increase energy and feel younger. Movement is not about getting back to your 20-year-old self. It's about moving forward into a stronger, healthier, and more confident you. The struggle with consistency. Let's talk about it. Most women know that exercise is good for them, but they struggle with lack of motivation. I don't feel like doing it today. No time. I'm too busy with work, kids, and family. Feeling discouraged. I don't see results fast enough. Sounds familiar? I hear you. But here's a mindset shift. Fitness is not about perfection, it's about daily progress. Instead of "I have to work out," think "I get to move my body today." Instead of "I don't have time," think "Can I give myself just 10 minutes?" Instead of "I'm too tired," think "Exercise will actually give me energy." This is exactly why I created my 21-day walking challenge, to help you take consistent, small steps that lead to big results. Walking daily, even for 20 to 30 minutes, is the simplest and most powerful way to kickstart your fitness journey. Join my challenge starting March 15th by emailing me at pallavi@ambrosiawellness.com, and let's walk our way to better health together. Fitness formula for women over 40. What you really need. Now let's talk about the right kind of fitness for women over 40. It's not about spending hours in the gym. The key is balance. Daily walking, your foundation for cardiovascular health, metabolism, and mood. Strength training 2 to 3 times a week. Builds muscle, supports metabolism, and protects bones. Stretching or yoga improves flexibility, reduces stiffness, and aids recovery. Strength training is non negotiable. After 40, we start losing muscle mass, which affects metabolism and body composition. If you don't lift, you lose. Start with body weight exercises or light dumbbells. Just 20 minutes, twice a week is enough to see benefits. A simple week of workouts could look like this: Monday, Wednesday, Friday, walk for 30 minutes. Tuesday and Thursday, strength training for 20 minutes. Sunday, yoga or stretching session. It's not about intensity, it's about consistency. When you show up every day, even in small ways, your body thanks you. Mindset shift. Love your midlife body. Here's the truth: your body is not broken or too old to get fit. It's evolving, and you have the power to make it stronger, healthier, and more resilient. Instead of thinking, I want my younger body back, ask yourself, how can I make this body feel its best today? You're not too late to start. You're not too old to get stronger, and you do not need to fit into society's version of fitness. Your worth isn't in the number on the scale, it's in how you feel. And movement is the fastest way to feel like yourself again. Are you ready to reclaim your body? Not for how it looks, but for how it makes you feel. Here's your challenge: move daily, even if it's just for 10 minutes. If you need more motivation, join my 21-day walking challenge starting March 15, where we walk every single day for 30 minutes at a time which is suitable to you, and it is self paced, no compulsion, no pressure. But walking daily together in a team makes a huge difference to your daily walks and motivation. You can email me at pallavi@ambrosiawellness.com to sign up and walk with an inspiring community of both men and women. Next episode, we are diving into mind over midlife, how to manage stress, anxiety, and emotional well being. Don't miss it. If you found this episode valuable, share it with a friend. Let's build a movement of strong, empowered men and women. See you next time on the Nurture Her podcast.